Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel is Mobile. So in today's video I'll tell you that if you have a 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro Max, so how you can unlock that. So I have this phone and I don't know what's its password because I forgot it. So now what I will do is I will try different passwords first, then I'll tell you a code that you have to dial and then you can unlock your iPhone 11 Pro Max. So first of all we are dialing different codes that I remember that I can apply on this, but these are not working, and I guess that I applied a different code, so these are not working. You can see. Now what we will do is we will go into emergency call option. There is option of emergency call in every phone, so here we will try a different code that will work. So this code is star 12255 star 12255 star 5678 star 12255 star 5678 star 591 hash. So now I'll tell you that if you apply this code here, what if you will apply any code, that code will become your password. So this is for the settings, and now you'll go into settings and then this will become your password. So now you have to dial this code for 3 times. So this is not working. Again we will dial this code. Again this is not working. Now when after applying 5 to 6 times, I'll tell you that what you have to do. So now guys, you can see that this is not working. So now your password is changed, and if it is not, then you have to again dial this for 5 to 6 times. So now what you have to do is you have to press this and this button, and now here you can see that there is option of slide to power off. You have to power off your cell phone. So now you can see that this is now turning on. So after this will be on, what we have to do is we have to dial the same code, 3-digit code, for 2 times that we have dialed in that code. So guys, just wait. Now you can see that our phone is on, and now you have to dial the same code for 2 times. This code can be different, and now you can see that our phone is open. So this is the way to unlock your iPhone 11 Pro Max, and you can also apply this code for other variants also. So thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends also. Thank you.